Hey girl, let's get into this quick lash tutorial. I've already done my whole face. So this face is the same face that I used in this video up here. So if you guys want to see a full tutorial on how I got this base, this super pretty flawless base, just click right here. I go through a whole thing. I show you everything I use, but this video, we're gonna focus on the lashes. I have one method that I use when I gotta like get out the door real quick, okay? We're gonna be using Lushes from Plushy Lash. I absolutely love their lashes. They have so many different styles. This lash we're gonna be using is D-Curl. Plushy Lash, they have all kinds of lashes. They've got natural lashes, they've got dramatic lashes, they've got long, short, medium lashes, they have full lashes, they have thin lashes. They have so many different types of styles. These lashes are gonna be linked below, and then I also have a coupon code, GlamLarry, and you'll save some money. How you wanna figure out which side you start on. Here you see you've got a shorter side and a longer side. Always want the shorter part of your lash to be the inner corner of your lash. You want to measure the lash to your eye. The easiest way to do that is to take a mirror, put it up to your eye like this, and then you're gonna look down. This actually helps because it helps you see your lash lines. You're gonna put the mirror underneath your eye, and then we're just gonna measure. The reason why you want to measure your lashes and cut them to your eye is because if you put your lashes on and they're too long, what'll happen is the lash will actually hang off on the side and it'll actually slope your eye down. So the point of makeup is to lift everything, and you want your lash to lift your eye. I make sure that my lash ends right here. I don't want it to end right here on the outer edge of my eye because then the lash will slope down. I want it to lift, so right where my slope of my eye starts is where I want the lash to actually end. We have cut our lash to fit our eye shape a little more. Couldn't really show you guys, but what helps me a lot, I cut the lashes per cluster. If you're to look right here, you see how the lashes have like little clusters? I will cut each small cluster one by one before I just cut the whole lash. If I were trying to make this shorter, I would cut this little cluster right here and then measure, and then if I need to like cut more, I would cut a small little cluster, because that's how lashes are applied. They're applied in clusters. So you want to cut the little segments off. You want to take a little bit off at a time, okay girl, because they're not real, all right? They don't grow back, okay? So cut them off a little bit at a time. I'm using Duo eye glue. This is my go-to, okay? I use her all the time. I'll put a thin layer of glue on the lash strip. What I like to do is I like to put 2 glue dots at each end because it helps anchor the lash down. I'll put one here and here. That's a good way to help anchor the lash down. And I've had people ask me like, where do I put my lashes when, you know, they're drying? I sit them down on the table. That's it. Nothing special, nothing crazy. For time's sake, I'm actually gonna start off with the quick method. These have only been drying for maybe like 20 seconds. So I'm actually going to take my mirror and I'm going to put this on my lash line. So I use the mirror method because I'm gonna look down and you can see your lash line. So you can literally just drop your lash down on it. So like I said, so I'm putting this on and then I'm gonna take it off. So what I'm doing is I'm allowing glue to get onto my lash and allow the glue to get just a tad bit tacky. And what that does is it helps just create a tacky surface. So we're just gonna stay here for a little bit. Oh baby, it's making me crazy. So we're gonna take the lash, okay? Glue's still not dry on the lash, not at all, and we're gonna pop them on. And you see how they just stick? And so that's that lash. Can't even see my lash line. It's right on my lash line and they're there, and that took no time. So that is like my easy, quick method to pop lashes on, especially when I gotta go and I ain't got no time. I literally pop them on with the glue, take them off right away, let it sit for like maybe 5 seconds, and then pop it back on, and girl, your lash is on. And then you always want to drop your lash in the center first. I do the inner corner first because I want to make sure my lash hits there, because if your lash is too close to your inner corner, you'll start to get watery eyes, start to get itchy, you'll get irritated. So I try to put the middle down first, then go to the inner corner. And then to avoid that issue where you put your lash too close to your inner corner, I don't go past the natural lash on my lid. So I always stay behind my natural lash so I know I'm not going too far. And then I will just apply the outer edge. Okay girl, so we have our lashes on. Super cute. We're not done. I love to do a couple finishing touches and that just make your whole lash look put together. We're gonna do bottom lashes first. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I like this one a lot because of that brush. You're gonna get every single hair, and I like it too because I don't end up with a bunch of mascara all over the bottom of my lash. Am I the only girl that has to like open her mouth wide when she's applying mascara? I literally can't keep my mouth shut. To get your eyes to be wider, you wanna use a lighter colored pencil on your waterline. I'm gonna use this Glide and Glam eye color pencil. It's just in the color rose gold. I got it from the beauty supply store. Okay girl, any pencil will do. I'm going to take this pencil and I'm gonna go into my waterline. You see how it just brightens up the eye so much more than this eye? I'm telling you girl, with makeup, it's the small details. It's not so much like your big bold eyeshadow or what kind of lip you're wearing or what kind of lashes you're wearing or the products you're using. It's really the small details that will show a big impact and big difference in your look. So like with this trick, my eyes look a lot wider and more open, but it still looks very like natural. And then the last trick is the last thing I do, okay? Because detail. You see right here, you can see where my eyelid is and the lash. What we want is we want it to be one continuous transition. So what helps is to do liner. So I don't do liner all the way across. I don't know, I'm not a winged liner girl anymore. I used to wing liner it up and I don't know. I don't feel like wing linering it up anymore. Because I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. I love this liner. And I'm just going to put liner in my inner corner. Let it dry now, let it dry now. So you see what difference it made? So this looks like one continuous full look. It just looks more seamless. It looks more put together. This eye with the liner versus this eye without. Now for some finishing touches, this is just something I'm doing, you don't have to do. I love to do an inner corner highlight. So I'm going to use MAC's Double Gleam and I'm just going to pop it into my inner corner. This is a really quick way to just add some oomph to your makeup. Like when I'm not doing any eyeshadow, just doing lash and a lip gloss, I will still pop this on and it makes it look like I put some effort into my makeup, but I really didn't, girl. I didn't do nothing. I'm gonna hop off, finish getting ready, and then show you guys the final look. Hey girl, we're back and here's the final look. So all I did is just add some like MAC Double Gleam as a highlight and I set with my One Size spray. I absolutely love this. Let me know if this lash tutorial helped you out. Hopefully it did, girl, because you deserve to wear strip lashes, okay? You can do it too. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe because it's free. It's free. And if you want more fashion, beauty, hot mom vlogs, you should just subscribe, girl. Come on over. Show me your lash looks. Let me know what they look like. And I'll see you later, girl. Bye.